He's just trolling.
Hell, damn, that's it.
Yeah, so what you got going on, man?
No, I just want to say, I heard all this stuff with Joe Biden. Damn, how this. So anyway, talking about over here that he wants to make sure and ensure that people don't have to say anything for COVID.
Ow! Frank!
They're trying to privatize our system.
He just bit me, Frank.
Holy crap.
He just bit me, Frank. I'm trying to... Somebody bit me on the finger. You want to go?
I'm sure.
Go ahead, man. I'm listening to you. Buster.
Oh, anyway, I love my insurance. Yeah, I don't think people really consider how much communism is at the door here.
Yeah, I know. People need to wake up.
I tell you what, people are losing track of the individual. So, for example, you got Joe Biden saying stuff about, you know what, if you get COVID, you get hospitalized, you shouldn't get anything.
You shouldn't get anything.
Hey, that's what I said. I told my old lady. So what, Mom? I know you're going through a hard time right now, but you got to help up by the bootstraps.
Yeah.
And goddamn respirators, Mom, they ain't cheap. They're on your own there. Just like you taught me.
For a respirator?
A respirator?
Did you say a respirator?
A respirator?
Yeah.
Yeah. So she coming over here like she's trying to get about $1,500.
Who is?
My mom.
She's trying to come get $1,500?
Yeah, they watched her whole brain up that she had COVID. I told her it's just a simple cough, and she still went.
Oh.
Talking about she got on a respirator and couldn't breathe. Didn't see it for a couple weeks. It was fine when I got her. And she tried to ask me for help for the bill. No. Remember what you taught me. Pick yourself up by the bootstraps.
Yeah, is that what you told her? Pick yourself up by the bootstraps?
That's what I told my mom.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
I mean, come on. It's health. You can't care for yourself, then you ain't healthy.
That's right.
Sir?
Yeah.
I'm
on here, man. This damn bird just got me all nervous. He done bit me one time.
Well, God dang, it's that Biden presidency. I got him rocking nothing.
Yeah, Biden pisses him off, man. You start talking about Biden, he gets crazy up in here.
I see him. Biden. Get you a cool scar, bro.
Yeah, look at it. What's up?
But anyway, yeah, I mean, Trump 2020, you know?
Trump 2020.
I ain't scared to say Trump 2024, Trump 2028.
Hey, I would too. We'll let him stay there until he falls out.
I would invite him over to my home. I would just go ride and.
What you doing?
And now we got Biden talking about some crazy communists.
Oh, Buster! Biden's crazy.
What is the craziest thing you think about Biden?
The craziest thing I think about him is watching how he touched children in the Senate confirmation hearings. That's the craziest thing.
Oh, man, I tell you. This country. People think they deserve health care. You need to go and run. You need to get better. Them Cheetos out there, I don't care how cheap they are, you go get yourself some Cheetos, you go get yourself some Dr. Pepper.
Yeah.
I don't care. It all starts with the individual at home. That's why I told my mom, I ain't gonna help you with no bill. Your ass got tricked into thinking you have COVID.
Whoa, watch out, man.
Propaganda.
You better watch out.
Propaganda.
Nothing.
I'm sorry. I ain't riding with Biden, buddy. Don't go cuckoo on me.
You see that one?
2020 and beyond.
That's right, Trump 2020, man. Hey, this bird got me all shook up here. Trump 2020, man. Thanks for the call.
Daddy Trump.
All right. Trump 20. You see what that guy's doing, man? Trying to bite me, Frank?